Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join clips in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to open your Filmora. After that, you will be needing just to simply open your project. You will need just to go to the file, go to open project, or simply you can create your own or create a new project. Now, all we need to do is just to start adding our footage. So basically, we'll be having like mini videos, etc., or mini clips that you can start adding. So here I have these two clips, and I can simply create a third clip here. So I'm just going to cut this one, and now we have in total three clips. So as you can see, we have the first one, second one, and the third one. Now to join the clips, there isn't like much direct way like to join to be like just one clip, but you will have like the ability to start grouping them. So as you can see, you can right click, and from here or in this menu you will have all these choices. So there is adjust audio, etc. These are concerning audio, and those are the effects. And here you can create a compound clip. So either you can simply group them, and now you can like start working on the clip as a whole or on both clip, or we can simply create a compound clip. So my, and I'm just going to click on OK, and now you have like one clip. So now it has been joined, and now you can like treat it as a new clip. So as you can see, you can again like group these ones, or you can simply create another compound clip. My, and it will know, and basically now we have our clips. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.